To navigate to the scoring software, you'll need to type in ftc-scoring.firstinspires.org into your web browser and click enter. If you're not logged in, this will take you to your login page. Here, log in with the same email ID and password that you used to log in to your first dashboard account. Once you're done, click Login. This should redirect you to the first scoring software. Here, you'll be able to see your team number and team name. Verify that you logged in as the right team. From there, you'll see over here on the right-hand side a judging section. Since this is just a demonstration, I'm going to go and click scrimmage number 1, which has already happened, but you would be clicking whatever event you're trying to submit your judging scores for. Here, you can see the list of 3 things that you need to submit. First is your engineering portfolio. Go ahead and click Upload. You can upload a new revision. You can see that I uploaded one previously, but I've deleted it. Only your most recent revision will be used by the judges. You can click Choose File from this menu, and then double-click whatever your engineering portfolio is, and then click Upload. Your file will need to be saved as a PDF. Here, you can see your portfolio as a preview. So just so you know you uploaded the right file. A preview box will pop up, and you can also remove it if you want. But now at this point, this is the most recent revision. You can go back and you'll notice that the checkbox has become green instead of a red X because you've uploaded something. You can also upload a control award submission. I'm going to upload the same file just for this demonstration, but you'd be uploading your control award submission there. You click upload, and you'll notice that it'll come to the top of your list, and that's what the judges will use. Finally, your judging feedback request form. This would be X'd out for you, but since I've already completed it, it's not. So you would just type in one thing. You just quickly respond, or you'd respond with time. I'm quickly responding, and then you just click submit. And there you go. So now you can see all 3 things have been submitted. You can go back, and your files and your judging for that event has done. That's it.